Hey guys, welcome to the Joy of Yoga. Today I'm going to show you how to mount your yoga trapeze or aerial device to a patio overhang in your backyard. So go ahead and follow along to set yours up. To start, you'll need two X or cross ceiling mounts and find a stud outside to hang them about shoulder width apart. Once you do that, go ahead and grab your straps. You'll want to have a stool or something to step up on if it's a bit too tall to reach. You can slide the straps through the X mounts. I like to make sure that it's through the middle of both the crossing. Once you have your straps in place, go ahead and start by grabbing your hammock first. With it attached to the carabiners, find both ends of the fabric. You can even search for the back if you have a yoga trapeze hammock. Then we'll go ahead and clip them to the straps. You'll want to try and estimate where your hips are and make it so that the bottom of the fabric sets just above your hips. You can try by first locking the hammock into place, then testing the height of the hammock before attaching the straps. So it's just above my hips, which means I'll have to hop a little to get into it, which means I know I'll have plenty of room to hang upside down. But you'll want to swing backwards properly and check where your head falls when you lay all the way back relaxed. If it's okay, you can sit back up and then hang up the side straps. I like to make sure that it goes longest, medium, and then short from the inside outward. And so I always clip the carabiners the same direction as well. And now you're ready to hang and play in your super fun aerial trapeze or hammock. Be sure to stay safe and follow along to instructional videos to find out all the fun things you can do in your yoga trapeze. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.